What up, y'all? Team Scruffy in the building. What up? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And real quick, probably won't be real quick. I don't know why I always start with real quick, but anyway. So yesterday I was actually browsing and I didn't even really think much about it until I kind of read up on it some more. Hey, am I the only one? But that Energizer phone, that looked legit. Like that mug, like it's super duper thick. It's like probably looks like 3 Galaxy S, like S10s stacked on top of each other. At least 2 or 3. It's way thick. Like if you can imagine like a battery case, like one of those zero lemon battery cases, like just being implanted on your phone. That's what that would look like, the Energizer phone. If you ain't seen it, go check it out. I'll post the link in the description here. But 18,000 milliamp hours on that battery. That's insane. I apologize for that glare, but yeah, 18,000 milliamp hours. Woo! I think I read something said 50 days before it needs a charge. I don't know how true that is, but I didn't realize that phone had already been like talked about. I looked on like GSM Arena and kind of checked out some specs, and I didn't know it was a phone that had been talked about last year, but I guess it was canceled or whatever. So, hey, I would love to own that joint, man. That's like the perfect backup phone. Like if you are one of those people like myself that loves to have multiple devices on you, what better phone to have than one that's basically a battery pack and a phone together? So the phone is probably the secondary the secondary thing to it. So it also supports reverse wireless charging, like what we're seeing on the wall. I think Huawei P20 Pro had it. That was the first phone I seen that had it. Now Samsung put it on their new S10 line. It makes more sense on a phone like this because it actually has the capacity to actually power more than one device, not just some earbuds or whatever. So like you say you got that phone on you, like just as your backup, and your main joint falls dead, you can just put that on that one, let it charge up for the time being. If you ain't got no cable, there's a lot of options that you can do with that. So I haven't seen anything on pricing or anything, availability or nothing like that, so I'm gonna have to keep up on that. And even if it should be available in the States, I would assume so, but if not, we gotta check that out. But yeah, man, like just let me know what y'all think below. I guess just ask, like, what do y'all think about that? Could y'all find yourselves walking around with something that thick? Like, oh yeah, and also it has the pop-out camera. It has the pop-out camera on the top. Like, man, dude, could you walk around with something that fat with you? Like, for me, I could. It just would not be on me all the time. I don't think I'd have it in my pocket or nothing like that. So let me know what y'all think below, though. Yeah, man, go check that out, man. I'm gonna post a link to some info on that. But yeah, man, it's your man Wayne Train. I'm out.